This is Tony's room, the lion's den, or more aptly, the dragon's lair. Ah! Whoa, what's that? A guillotine so I won't enter her room? Whoa, that girl has issues. I honestly wonder why we were ever together, at all. Stay out of my room. You have no business in there anymore. Who does Tony think she is? I've got better things to do than rummage through her drawers. Oh, my father left me. Besides, then he left without me. I guess I could smudge the note this way. But why should I? I'm not reading the notes anyway. You're not supposed to eat on the sofa. I keep finding leftovers in it. Huh? Well, isn't that a good thing? The good old sofa. Too bad I can't fit it into my escape pod. I've had the most amazing ideas sitting here. Plus, you can always find leftovers in it. Seems there are still some wasabi peas in there. But without something to put them into, I'm not collecting them. It already has plenty of oil stains. Let's get rid of this thing. I can still smell the rancid oil. Seems there are still some wasabi peas in there. I guess these will make good provisions for the journey. I should use my provisions wisely. It'll be a long journey. Do the dishes already. They won't do themselves. Oh, yeah? Well, I'll take that chance. I don't see why I, of all people, should do the dishes. I mean, Tony has much more experience with it. I don't see why I mean, Tony... What gnat's piss? And Tony keeps complaining that I don't do enough housework. Ooh, cold. I need something flammable to start the fire. Burn the note. Not a bad idea. But I need some more for the fire to really get going. You've scoffed all the food yet again. And I keep finding your crap in the fridge. What the hell's wrong with you? Huh? I don't understand the question. I wonder if I can find some provisions for my journey here. How did this end up here? At least I already got one sock, but I need a pair. I don't want to show up in Elysium dressed like an idiot. These coats are incredible. Unbelievable how much stuff you can cram into the pockets. I'll have a quick look. See if I can find something useful in the pockets. Hey, there really was something in there. A sock! Cool! I may not be an expert, but I'm sure I need a hot wash. But something's still missing. I may not be an expert, but I'm sure I need a hot wash. And Tony keeps complaining that I don't do enough housework. In you go. Ouch! Damn it! That's hot! And Tony keeps complaining that I don't do enough housework. Huh, not a chance. Although I can reach inside the crack, I don't have enough leverage. Whoa, look at that! The sock changed color. Who would have thought it? But where's the other one? Oh, clear case of sacrificial color mixing. Socks? Check. It can't be opened since the handle's gone. Tony was pissed off, but I needed it to secure the door of my matter transporter. I mean, the device was unstable enough without flies going in and out. The mouse skedaddled long ago, which doesn't mean that its plan was better than mine. Ouch! I can't do that to the mouse. That'd be animal cruelty. That would make excellent bait, but a total waste without a trap. There's nothing left to catch here. The mouse skedaddled long ago, which doesn't mean that its plan was better than mine. Nah, I don't think this will work without the right bait. Now the little bugger's in for a surprise. Come on, brushy, brushy, brushy. Come to Papa. Ha! Gotcha! Ha! Gotcha! I'll make you suffer the next time I brush my teeth. No, I haven't finished packing yet. Socks? Check. Socks? Check. It's seen better days for sure. Toothbrush? Check. Bolt cutter, for whatever reason? Check. Provisions? Check. Ha! Seems like I've packed everything. Oh, I can't close it anymore. Oh, seems like I've got to unpack something. But what? It doesn't take that much space. It doesn't take that much space. It doesn't take that much space. I'll never be able to close the suitcase with a monster like that in there. I mean, I won't need a bolt cutter where I'm going. I wonder why it was on the list in the first place. Now it fits. Packed and ready to go. I think I just strained something.
Hey, Rufus, you should save your energy for the unavoidable drop into the abyss.
Yeah, thanks, Wenzel. You can save your sarcasm for someone less well-prepared than me. This time, I took everything into account. It'll be a stroll in the park.
Ah, that's what you said last time. It took us days to remove the cactus spikes from your butt, remember?
That's all toxic runoff under the bridge. This time, everything will work out. And when finally an Elysian orbit pixie massages my back, I'll ask her to pause for a minute so I can laugh about you.
Whatever. But say, can I have your stuff when you're gone?
Yeah, sure, help yourself. As if anything in this dump is valuable, it's time for me to leave all this behind.
Great. I hope you remembered to calibrate the harpoon.
I'll do that later, after I've stored everything in the pod.
Well, then hurry up. Well, you know that the Organon are always on time.
Now, all I have to do is load the suitcase into the pod, and off we go. There. Now where shall I put it? There's no room there. And a sensor, my masterpiece. I've been working on this for so long. It must have been since Monday. Aw, crap! The battery's using up all the space. I gotta make room for my luggage somehow. There, and now? There. Now where shall I put it? There we go. I might be able to do without this.